So good afternoon, my friends. We are in Dominican in Brusells, so beautiful building, and we are with Brusells, who is going to show us some special cocktail, very special because I never seen that cocktail you mentioned. You will introduce it to me later, but please tell us about this special building.
All right. First of all, welcome. The Dominican is a former monastery centuries ago. A Dominican monastery, and that's why it's in the Dominican. And between the 15th and 16th century, it was the home of David, so the French painter. And you will see it in small details everywhere in the hotel.
Yeah, I saw it like also in the corridor.
Yeah, that's correct.
There is a special line I will show you that later because it's very nice. So now we are going to, which is the cocktail we are?
The almond aspirin.
Almond aspirin. It sounds like aspirin, it sounds like, tablet.
For a Monday it's perfect.
Monday, that's good. So he's showing us, he's doing everything step by step, and we are enjoying it. Well, so tell us, we have not so many things. Pistachio.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
But we're not going to use it for this one.
No,
right?
pistachio for this one.
So first, we put some ice in the shaker because it's a shaken cocktail.
Okay.
We're going to need 1 egg white.
Okay. Egg white. Okay.
Martel.
Cognac, beautiful. This is not egg, yes, egg.
A little bit of Bombay.
Okay.
Lime juice.
Lime juice.
And then, what is that? Almond syrup.
Almond syrup. There are different brands, so they can find the different.
Yeah. So first of all, the egg white.
The egg white. It's the first time enjoying a cocktail with egg.
All right.
Yes.
Well, the egg
That's
white.
my first time.
The egg white makes it very smooth taste. So that's.
I didn't know that.
It's beautiful. Yeah, you can use it as well, for example, for a sour, what we make with egg white, or an Aperol spritz with egg white.
Since I drink Aperol, so I always drink Aperol with egg white.
Well, you can do it. You have to make a cocktail like quite similar as an Aperol spritz, but with egg white. All right. What then? One. Then 2 centiliters of Bombay. Then 2 centiliters of lime juice. And then 1 centiliter.
She told me that it would be a fun.
Yeah.
I can't wait for them.
I hope you're gonna like it.
Okay.
Alright, final touch is just a little bit of sugar. Alright. Just normal sugar syrup. Voila, and that's it. Ice we're gonna use to shake it, and it's like if you make white cream, like
White
you can
cream,
use
yeah.
like a little finger like this. I don't know the English word for it.
I don't know.
So that makes the extra foam.
The
Right?
extra fun is made with that.
So
Yeah,
you want to do it?
No.
No? Now you can see that it's quite a foam.
Yes.
Sorry. Alright. Now you will see that you get like a foam.
Okay.
Now it's all mixed together. Yeah. Yeah, that keeps it stable. This is Angostura.
Oh, I'm supposed to.
Yeah.
Yeah.